Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the oven rack in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new oven rack. The oven rack allows the position of the prepared meal to be adjusted. By sliding the rack in and out, one gets easy access to the meal to check its condition. The main reason for the replacement of the oven rack is if it's got warped or it's simply missing. To get it apart, we need to open the oven door. Now we're going to slide out the rack, if it's there, and replace it. This is the old oven rack next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, this is the new oven rack. It goes in with this bent end first. I'm going to place it on the support, lift it up a little bit, and then slide it in. And now we can close the door. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.